Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my beautiful honey bunnies, we are going to put together a really fun little baggie like this. I have some Easter socks in here and some delicious little candies that I put in here. I also adorned the little baggie with this cute little bunny, which is what we're going to do. And this is actually just a little paper clip. All right, we have here, let me show you. I made this paper clip for the girls and this one for the boys. I thought they were so cute and so adorable. And so I'm going to show you how to make these, okay? All right, now what I did is, let me show you what we used. Okay, so what we used for this, I obviously used some socks. I have here socks that I bought for my co-workers for Easter. You guys know that I love giving holiday socks to my co-workers. It was very hard to find Easter socks this year. I kind of found these like at the last minute, and so yeah, it's gonna be probably a little bit difficult to find socks this year for Easter, but I'm pretty sure you can find them. I think Hobby Lobby has a few, and I didn't see any in TJ Maxx or Marshalls, which is where I usually buy them. But if you come across any, Family Dollar also has them. Anyway, I found a few, and so I grabbed them, and I'm using this really fun little treat bag that I got a really long time ago. All right, so get your little treat bag and your socks I have here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it in my little baggie. And what I also did, I added some sweets. I got these adorable little peeps. I love these because these are individually wrapped, and I found them and I was so excited. So I got a few of these little baggies, and so what I want to do is I want to put 2 of these really yummy peeps inside the little baggie. You can put, you know, whatever you have. You don't have to put these exactly. You can put any kind of candies you have, any kind of chocolates you have. And all I did was I just simply fold my little baggie in half. I have this one and I have this one that I want to finish with you guys. And we're going to make the little clippy for it, okay? So, for the clippy, very simple. Use any kind of clothespins that you have. I have this one because I have a whole bunch of these, so I want to use this one. And I also have a blue one. So I'm going to use a blue one, and I'm going to use a pink one. And for the front of the paper clippy, I'm going to use these little fun, adorable little bunnies. These bunnies I got at Target a few years ago. I have here more to show you. I can show you what they look like. They're kind of like bunny shapes, different kinds of bunny shapes. And they came in a little baggie with a whole bunch of different bunnies. And so I'm going to use these to decorate my little socks treat bag. All right, so get any bunny that you have. It doesn't have to be this one. It could be either like a sticker, or you can even trace your own little bunny and fuzzy cut it and use that if you want, right? You don't have to be exactly this one. So I'm going to show you a really quick way, let me bring you up close, to decorate these bunnies. I'm going to use my little mini cupcake liners. Okay, these are little white mini cupcake liners. I'm going to fold these in half. And we're going to add them to the center, right there to the little collar section of the little bunny. All right, let me do this one. Fold it in half. Scrunch it in the center. Open it up. All right, we're going to glue this down to the bunny. Right in this area right here. And this bunny's going to get it right here. All right, I gotta make this a little bit smaller though. It's way too big. You don't want your little cupcake embellishment to be as big as your bunny. You want it to be smaller because you want it to kind of stand out. I'm going to hot glue that right there. So I'm going to hot glue this one to the collar of the bunny. And I'm going to hot glue this one also. Okay. And now you should have two bunnies, and look at that. Now we're going to put in the center of the bunny some really fun Easter expired buttons. I have these really colorful Easter buttons that I love. So I'm going to use these buttons to put in the center of my little embellishment, okay? So here I have a yellow one, and here I have a nice little teal color one. So I'm going to put the yellow one right here in the center. And I'm going to put the teal right here. All right. There you go. So after I do that, I'm going to add my adorable little bow that I created. All right. And I'm going to add that in the center of my little button. So you're going to add a teensy bit of hot glue to the bow. And I'm going to add that right in the middle of my button. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to add some little pom-poms to the little tails of the bunny. Okay? So, where are my pom-poms? I don't have pom-poms. Okay, that's okay. We'll reach for these. So I'm going to use these really fun pom-poms that I have. I absolutely love these pom-poms. I got these at Hobby Lobby. And we're going to add one pom-pom in the tail of each little bunny. All right. So let's do that. And there you have it. And that is how we make these really fun, adorable little clothespins. How cute are these? Now we're going to attach these to the clothespins, and we're done. And we're done. And we're done. Okay, so I like to put my clothespins first. And then, oh wait, this is for, okay. I'm going to put the clothespins first. Oops. And then I'm going to hot glue my little bunny to my clothespin. Right, roughly right there. All right, so let's do a little bit of hot glue. And let's add the bunny. To the clothespin. And you should get something like this. All right, let's do the other one. You can even add the hot glue to your clothespins if you want. Okay, and then add your little bunny so you can have a nice little view. See that? And that, my friend, is how we create these little fun, adorable little clothespins. You see that? How adorable are these little clothespins? And they're so easy to make. So easy. I love them. Now, if you want to go back and you want to have like googly eyes, you can do that if you want. I'm just going to keep them the way they are because I love how they look. I think they look so pretty, but so simple. So I'm just going to keep them this way, right? But I just love how they turned out. I hope that you guys got some really good ideas. All right, my beautiful, lovely, crafty friends. I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for all your beautiful comments. And I will see you soon. Love you. Bye.